Tuesday Peep Show.
Yes.
Teddy Bear Picnic on the go this afternoon. You got the... And the Kings are having their alumni Jim Johnson thing at the Tournament Center tonight. Now, this weekend, Jaco Polke is having a yard sale.
A yard sale?
Yeah.
Calling all yard sale people. Make sure you drop off your stuff, which really technically to you is just junk, but it's someone else's treasure, and it's Jaco's cash that will help the children of Malawi. Your lamb will feed a village. Drop it off.
Alrighty. Must be a big lamp or a small village. I don't know. Or they don't eat much. I don't know.
No, really. You can email me, dee@rock94.com. Let me know where your lamp is, and I will send the folks there. They will make the trek. And listen for Kick It Out by Heart. That is the song if you want to go to the sold-out Heart concert. Listen for that today. Tomorrow, you want to listen to Magic Man. He's a magic man, mama.
That doesn't really go like that.
How does it go?
I don't know. But if you're the night caller's crew...
One night long ago...
That's it.
Something, you know. Good man, he told me... Never seen eyes so blue. Something like that.
That's good. That's pretty good.
I'm trying.
All right, and Women That Rock coming up this weekend at Rock 94.
That's me.
Heart, Kick It Out today.
Kick him out.
Magic Man
Magic Man.
tomorrow.
Kick out the Magic Man.
Okay, you need to have less coffee in the morning. Or maybe more, and then we'll see what happens. Bye.
Get the touchable Blackberry Storm.